FK Tech here. Finally introduced in production form, the electric sedan is scheduled to arrive in the US in 2024, and Volkswagen is aiming for a range of 300 miles on an EPA cycle. Volkswagen launched the 2025 ID.7 electric sedan. Uses the company's MEB platform and produces 282 horsepower. You can choose between an electric motor and 2 batteries. The ID.7 is scheduled to be released in the United States in 2024. The 2025 Volkswagen ID.7 sedan goes one step further with an electric motor and battery. Compared to the ID.4 crossover, it has a more powerful electric motor and an optional larger battery that provides greater autonomy. This is the first time we've seen the ID.7 without camouflage, but they've already built a prototype. This new model is expected to arrive in the United States in 2024. The standard ID.7 engine is a single-engine, 282 horsepower. There will be a rear-wheel drive configuration with an electric motor. That's more powerful than the 201 horsepower engine in the RWD ID.4, and in the US, the ID.7 will initially come standard with the crossover's 77.0 kilowatt-hour battery. The company is targeting an EPA range of 300 miles, which is slightly behind the ID.7's main competitors, including the Tesla Model 3 and Hyundai Ioniq 6. The larger 86.0 kilowatt-hour pack will be optional in other markets, with VW claiming a WLTP range of 700 kilometers with this option. That could amount to more than 350 miles on the US EPA cycle, but Volkswagen can only support the larger battery for the more powerful, but less efficient, dual-motor, all-wheel drive version. The ID.7 looks like a traditional 4-door midsize sedan, but has a hatchback design to provide ample cargo space. The rear seats can be folded down to expand the trunk space. The cabin features a new 15.0-inch touchscreen infotainment system that improves upon the overly complex software of the ID.4. The cabin is also spacious enough to accommodate 5 people. An augmented reality head-up display is standard, and features like massaging seats and a driver assistance system with automatic lane change are also available. We need to know more about the detailed specs of the US ID.7, including pricing and the latest EPA numbers. It will be manufactured in Germany and hit US dealers next year. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.